Hello guys, welcome to Logic Hub. In this video, we can find the value of this question, which is 3 minus 2 open parenthesis 2 minus 3. If you are talented, then stop the video and before watching the video, comment of this question and tell that which option is correct. Option A is minus 1. Option B is 5, option C is 7 and option D is none. And if you are student and do not know about this type of question that how we can solve it, then in this video I can solve these questions step by step. So guys, do not skip this video because it is very important for you. Okay, so I can start the solution of this question. So guys, first of all, for order of operation, one rule is used which is called PEMDAS, where P stand for parentheses, E stand for exponent, M stand for multiplication, D stand for division, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. Guys, I can write here again parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and the last one guys, subtraction. Okay, remember that we can solve PEMDAS from left to right. Okay, and also remember that parentheses have higher priority than other operation like exponent, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. Similarly, if we talk about multiplication and division, then multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to from left to right. Okay guys, similarly addition and subtraction have equal priority and we have to from left to right. But one thing guys which you can must remember that multiplication and division have much more higher priority than addition and subtraction. So guys, I can start this question. I can remove this rule. Okay, so in my question one parenthesis is present. So first of all, according to PEMDAS rule, we can solve parenthesis. So I can write here 3 minus 2 open parenthesis 2 minus 3 guys equal to minus 1. Okay, now here one subtraction and one multiplication is present, and in PEMDAS rule we can say that multiplication have higher priority than subtraction. So we can solve firstly multiplication. So I can write here 3 as it is minus 2 times minus 1 equal to guys minus 2. Okay, now guys in next step minus multiply by minus equal to plus and 2 I can write as it is. Now here 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Guys, now tell in comment section that which option is correct. Option A, option B, option C and option D. Guys, If you enjoy this video, then kindly subscribe to my channel for more this type of amazing videos. Thanks for watching.